surface area and volumes. In the last year, we have studied about the surface area as well as volume of the single solid figure, that is cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, sphere and hemisphere. In this year, we are going to study about the surface area and volume of combination of solid figures. इस साल अपने को क्या करने का, सरफेस एरिया एज वेल एज वॉल्यूम निकालने का. किसका? कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द सॉलिड फिगर्स, मीन्स स्पीयर प्लस सिलेंडर, हेमीस्फीयर प्लस कोन एंड सो ऑन. To calculate that, we required last year formula. So write down first article, surface area of combination of solids. First formula, surface area of cuboid equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Surface area of cuboid 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Surface area of cube equal to 6a square. CSA of cylinder 2 pi RH. TSA of cylinder 2 pi R into R plus H. CSA of cone pi RL. TSA of cone pi R into R plus L. Surface area of sphere equal to 4 pi R square. CSA of hemisphere equal to 2 pi R square. TSA of hemisphere equal to 3 pi R square. So we use this formula to calculate surface area of combination of 2 or 3 figures. Then our next article is volume of the combination of solid figures. Third one is conversion of one solid figure into the other. और चौथा जो था frustum of a cone, that was reduced from the syllabus this year. Exercise 13.1 on this formula. See the first one. Two cubes each of volume 64 cm cube are joined end to end. See here. This is the cube, one of the cube. This is another one. This is another one. After joining two cubes end to end, we get solid figure called as cuboid. The volume of each cube is given. By using volume, we can calculate the side of each cube. Since volume of cube equal to a cube, ये भी था पिछले साल, अगले आर्टिकल के समय लिखेंगे। खाली इस प्रॉब्लम में आपने को वैल्यूम का इस्तेमाल करना है। What is the volume? Given volume is 64 equal to a cube. Taking cube root, a equal to 4 centimeter. Means length of each edge or side of the cube is 4 centimeter. After joining two cubes, we get cuboid, whose length is now 4 plus 4, 8. This is breadth 4 and height is also 4 centimeter. For resulting cuboid, L length equal to 4 plus 4 equal to 8, breadth 4 centimeter, height 4, therefore surface area equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Substitute the values and calculate surface area. Hence, after joining two cubes, we get cuboid. Difference between the cube and cubes is, cube and cuboid is, all the sides of the cube are equal. That is, length equal to breadth equal to height. But for cuboid, length, breadth and height are of different dimensions. Here, length of the cuboid is nothing but sum of the two edges of two cubes. Therefore, length of the resultant cuboid is 8 centimeter, breadth remains as it is 4 and the height is also 4 centimeter. Substitute the values, we get surface area. Two into 8 into 4, 4 into 4, 4 into 8, we get 32 plus 16 plus 32. This is 64, 64 plus 16, 80. है क्या देखो आंसर 160 cm square. 160 cm square.